Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a Zelda Mii. First, open the Mii Maker application on your Nintendo console. You will then select the option to create a new Mii from the very beginning. Choose a gender, then pick a basic face shape and skin tone that best suits your desired character. This initial setup is crucial for laying the groundwork for your Mii's appearance. Now, let's focus on Link's distinctive look. For his hair, select a spiky style, usually found on the second or third page of options, and make it a light blonde color. Next, choose blue eyes and adjust their position to be a bit wider apart, giving him that heroic gaze. Finally, add some light brown or blonde eyebrows, angling them slightly for a determined expression. Moving on to the finer details, select a simple, small mouth and adjust its vertical position to sit just above the chin. For the nose, a small, rounded option works best to maintain a youthful look. The most important accessory is a green hat, which is essential for capturing Link's iconic cap. You can often find this in the headwear section, usually on the first or second page. To complete your Zelda Mii, make any final adjustments to its height and weight. Link is typically depicted as being of average height and a lean build, so aim for those proportions. Don't forget to name your Mii Link for easy recognition. Once you are satisfied with your creation, save your new Zelda Mii to your console's Mii Plaza, ready for adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.